Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Sly and the Family Stone. If you want me to stay. And this tune is super cool, super funky. It only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords. On the recording, it sounds like the tuning is between B flat and A, because of tape machines. So let's just do it in A to make it easier. Alright, cool. So we got A minor. One, two, three. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. Got F major. And this is my favorite F. 1, 2. 1, 2. C in the bass and pinky on the F there. To E major. You can make that E7 if you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, G, C, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, A minor, G, C, F, E. Strumming I'm doing is I'm doing downstrokes first. Down, 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 up, down, down. One more time, come on, let's pick it up. Cool. Super easy, right? Just gotta get that strumming. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow as always with more classic rock tunes, pop tunes, whatever. Cool. Thank you.